So let's show you now the heat run test, the famous heat run test that allows to make sure everything is okay before to plug in the module. So this unique feature is really important. So I just prepared the installation. So the module here is the one I want to test. So I connected already the module. Here we can see beside this plate we have a 3-phase and ground connector. So I connect the cables to the 63 amps on the power hub, but it could be connected in a separate room as well. Clément is connected with the laptop here on the module through the service engineer software. So this is for sure only accessible for our Socomec servicing. So after their operation, they can certify everything is okay after the job. So we have a multimeter also here that will show you the consumption of the module. I open here the panel also to close a switch, a dedicated switch for this test, where the aim is to bypass the output and the input. So we are creating a loop. So we supply the rectifier, let's say, the DC bus, inverter, and the inverter is feeding back the energy to the upstream. Energy which is consumed by the rectifier, so we'll be able to set a certain amount of power to circulate here in a loop, just consuming the energy required for the electronic and globally the losses of this operating mode. So Clément will start the test procedure. So here we just heard the input contactor for the rectifier. So there are some check for sure. Step by step, he will start the inverter. So here you can see we can start the process step by step. So the load rate, so we can set whatever we want in terms of kilowatt, but for sure the best is to stress the module at full power. So Clément will put 100% load, so we'll stress the module at 200 kilowatts. We hear the module is really working on load. I think it's quite evident, but we can anyway see here on the right we have something almost full power, almost 200 kilowatts. So I did not just to wait and see if everything is okay, but for sure to check more in deep what is going inside, what's going on inside, so we can see different parameters or current, etc., but also more important the different temperature on the rectifier, the inverter, etc. So we have many diagnostics everywhere to make sure everything runs well, and this can be sustained for 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, whatever you want. The module is loaded at full power. It can withstand this for a while because it's designed for that up to 40 degrees. So there is no issue. As soon the test is done, the engineer will stop the test. So we can stop the test, for instance. I can then just disconnect the module, disconnect the plug. I would open again the plate here, plug the module in the system, and start as we saw previously during this demonstration.